Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to cover a very important topic in Node.js that is called as callback. So what is callback? So for to understanding callbacks, let's try to understand with a daily life example. So in a restaurant, suppose a customer comes and order to the waiter, and waiter takes the order and goes to say uh, uh, chef assigning a time period to cook that order, and waiter is waiting to the order comes and customer one is still waiting, and suppose in that duration a customer 2 comes, so he can wait till that the order of the customer 1 is not completed. So that is a synchronous way, but Node.js is follows a asynchronous way. So what is a asynchronous way? So customer one arrives and customer one orders to the waiter, and waiter goes to chef and chef assign a time period, and customer one is got you should wait for 5 seconds, and when the order arrives I'll be give you a call back. Similarly, customer 2 takes gives the order to waiter, and waiter provides the timer to the customer 2, and when the order arrives he can serve to the customer 2. Similar to customer 3, 4, 5, 6, that is the in asynchronous way. Let's compare the same thing with the our client server structure in a Node.js. So client one requesting to the server, and suppose database server processing the data, and it's giving you some time period. It will take some 5 seconds or 5 minutes, and same time it will taking the request of client two, and same times it's giving you other callback after the your process data process is completed. So this is called as a asynchronous way. So let's try to learn how do we implement this concept. So let's take an example. Customer one sends a request, and to achieve this target, I am using a set timeout because we are not doing a database operation. So let's cheat to your let's cheat to the system to provide this example. So first we are requesting with the customer one request, and I am providing a dummy timer 5 seconds, and customer 2 request I'm taking same time, and again I'm providing a timer to a customer 2 similar to customer 3. So whenever their request will complete, they are getting a callback, data is ready, please take your data. So let's try to run this program. Go to integrated terminal, and the program name is callback.js. So node callback.js. Now customer 1 request, customer 2 request, customer 3 request parallelly processed. After the data is ready, the callback method is getting called, and after 5 seconds every customer is getting their request. So this is the funda of our Node.js, and this is the main concept of the Node.js: parallelly asynchronous process and callback mechanism. So that's all from this video, and hope you understand the concept of callbacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet on next video.